Hello fellow Peanuts fans! Today I'm going to try and build this Peanuts paper theater. This is from Japan. Got this in a mystery box from Snoopy's Gallery and Gift Shop. I'll give you a link to that. And let's get started. I have a piece of cardboard here, some glue, some tweezers, and an X-Acto knife. That's what it says it needs for this. The cardboard is to protect my work surface so I don't cut into the surface of my light box. Take a look inside here. Got a variety of pieces and some instructions. Now the instructions are in Japanese, but the photos should be enough for me to figure out what I'm supposed to do. So let's get this open and see all these pieces. Here we have the pieces of paper. There we see Snoopy. There's a Woodstock. That's just blank. A couple more pieces of wood here. These pieces. Let's get started. So on this step, there were a few pieces of wood for Snoopy's foot here and his nose. So that gives it a little bit more dimensionality, which I was not expecting, and I really like that they thought of doing that. They're not just making it a completely 2D character. Alright, I screwed this bit up a little bit. I think I was supposed to put the paper and the wood part of the flag together all at the same time, and I also broke the flag, the wooden part. It is very fragile, and I was just a little too rushed with it. But it seems to be working fine, so thank goodness. So now we have the final assembly. It looks like all these frames just go into these little joint pieces. And here is the finished product. The sort of braces to keep this together are a little finicky. I didn't want to glue them down just in case I wanted to store this away. I feel like it would be better stored nice and flat rather than three-dimensional. If I was to have this on a desk or something where I'd be moving it a lot, I think I would definitely want to glue these down. You can see it kind of flexes and moves, and I think these would come out pretty easy. But I love this piece. I like how three-dimensional it is, and yet at the same time it's two-dimensional. It's a very fun product, and it went together pretty well. So I would highly recommend getting one of these if you ever have the chance. Might be a little tricky to get them. Would love to see these come to the US and maybe other countries around the world. Let me know if you would love to build one of these in the comments below. Join us on Patreon and CollectPeanuts.com for more Peanuts goodies, and you can also find links to other ways to support us and our social channels in the description down below. Happy collecting! Bye!